Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys I will show you how to get next day delivery on Amazon. So guys, go to Amazon and select any product you want to purchase, for example this one. And if you want to get next day delivery, all you have to do guys, you should have this option, Amazon Prime. So guys, make sure in your account, if I go to my account and go to my Prime, as you can see here, I don't have this Prime option, and you should be, I have this Prime option to fast and free delivery on one day. As you can see here, this is option you can get one next day delivery. So guys, this is this option. You should be download the Amazon app. As you can see here, you should be first step download Amazon app from App Store or Play Store or something like this. After that guys, you should have these features of Prime to get next day delivery on Amazon Prime. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this quick video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. This is the Amazon Prime features guys to get next day delivery.